Welcome to M2Y Global Academy.
Are you looking to improve your problem-solving skills and understand how successful organizations enhance quality and efficiency? Then the Six Sigma Yellow Belt certification is an excellent place to begin your journey into process improvement. In today's competitive business environment, organizations are constantly seeking professionals who can identify problems, reduce process variation, improve quality, and support continuous improvement initiatives. The Six Sigma Yellow Belt certification provides the knowledge and practical understanding needed to contribute effectively to these goals. Six Sigma is a globally recognized methodology that helps organizations improve performance by reducing defects, eliminating waste, and increasing customer satisfaction through a structured, data-driven approach. As a Yellow Belt professional, you'll gain a solid understanding of the DMAIC improvement methodology. The 5 stages of DMAIC are: define and identify the problem, project goals, and customer requirements. Measure, collect data, and understand current process performance. Analyze, identify the root causes of process issues. Improve, develop, and implement effective solutions. Control, sustain improvements, and monitor long-term performance. During the course, you'll also learn important topics including who should take the Six Sigma Yellow Belt certification. This course is ideal for beginners, entry-level professionals, quality team members, operations staff, supervisors, engineers, business professionals, students, and anyone interested in learning the fundamentals of process improvement. It is also an excellent choice for professionals who support Green Belt or Black Belt projects and want to understand how Six Sigma methodologies are applied in real workplace environments. At M2Y Global Academy, we deliver the Six Sigma Yellow Belt certification through expert-led live virtual training. Our experienced trainers use practical examples, interactive sessions, and real-world scenarios to help you understand Six Sigma concepts with confidence. Throughout the training, you'll develop the knowledge required to identify improvement opportunities, support process improvement projects, analyze workplace challenges, and contribute to quality improvement initiatives within your organization. Upon successful completion of the course and assessment, you'll receive a Six Sigma Study Six Sigma Yellow Belt certification, demonstrating your understanding of the fundamental principles of Six Sigma. The knowledge gained through this certification is valuable across a wide range of industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, information technology, banking, finance, logistics, retail, telecommunications, construction, and many other sectors focused on quality and operational excellence. As organizations continue to invest in quality improvement and business excellence, professionals with Six Sigma knowledge are increasingly valued for their ability to support efficient and effective business processes. If you're ready to begin your Six Sigma journey and develop valuable process improvement skills, the Six Sigma Yellow Belt certification from M2Y Global Academy is the perfect place to start. Take the first step towards building a successful career in quality management and continuous improvement. Join M2Y Global Academy and gain the knowledge.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to M2Y Global Academy for more safety training, career guidance, and professional certification updates. Contact us today to start your safety career journey.